That is so cute. Keeper of the little bridge. He's just sitting there. Where's the other one?
In 1939.
Wow.
I just now realized that.
1939. Man.
By the civilian.
No more than 5 people on the bridge at a time. We had like 7 on it earlier.
So here we're going across the swinging bridge.
Yay! People think carving their names in the bridge. Do I have? Yes.
I don't think it's going to be that swingy, baby.
I don't think so.
Oh, wow.
I hate it.
Oh, wow. Check out the big old creek. Hey, at least if you fall, Kaylee, you can, as long as you can swim, you're good. Hey, this one's not near as bad as...
Papa's shaking it.
This one's not near as bad as the one over there at Cane Creek.
Is it not?
No, I'm terrified of it.
It's just because we're walking, baby.
Wave, Rick. Oh, we're...
Okay, look at Mama. Look. Look.
Oh, my word.
Oh, my word.
Look. Look. Papa's being crazy.
Yeah, Pawpaw's being crazy. We might have to kick Paw. We may have to throw Pawpaw off the bridge.
Yeah, she said.
She agreed to that one, didn't she?
I'm sure the dogs didn't freak out.
Mine would.
Would they?
I know mine wouldn't make it.
Be careful, baby. You want to get up there? Oh, we excited.
Yeah, I am too.
Everybody's had yeah.
Wow.
Now I feel like I can't walk right.
You've been on that? Yeah. Rick had us swinging. We had jello legs
Yeah.
when we get off the bridge.
Our dad Trigger's got. You say dogs, but what?
That's those 2 dogs that we seen a while ago. Rick, you might want to pick up. You might want to pick up Feisty.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's the one dog that was on the.
That's why I said you might want to pick up Feisty.
What's he do? Just one.
Look at that.
Oh wow.
You can see from underneath.
That is so neat. Yeah, it has a collar.
They may be owners of this place or whatever. But
Wouldn't it be awesome to have always growl?
who was growling? Somebody growled.
Somebody that sees dogs, because they too friendly. How y'all doing? Good.
I'm a coming. I'm done down. I'm down.
I couldn't have made another hill.
What is out through there?
This is the first time.
We didn't get to do it all because I know it's a loop around, but
This
it's
is our
getting
first
dark
time.
and
It's just trails and rocks. It's pretty.
Are y'all from around here?
Tennessee.
we're Tennessee.
Oh, we love Tennessee. We're from South Carolina.
Oh, really?
Oh wow.
Wow.
But Tennessee is our home away from home.
Well, y'all have a good
Yeah, we
time.
usually we visit like the Gordon House and Jackson Falls, and then what is the other one? Hollow Falls. Not Fall Hollow. Mm-hmm. Oh, look, they said y'all adopted them.
Hey.
Well, I don't have one like them.
Sweet dog. Pawpaw.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're good dogs. They seem to be really good dogs. Whew.
Well, black one was like you might need to do it.
Okay.
Be loud. Go.
Babe, I can't talk.
All right.
I'm worn out.
Go ahead.
Well, we're done for our walk for the day and the weekend. Y'all come back now, you hear?
I love when you do that.